Are you looking for the ultimate Christmas gift this year? Imagine giving someone the key to confidence, independence, and success on the road while saving big in the process. Stay tuned for this incredible Christmas voucher offer from BDS London. Hi there, my name is Chris Creel, the Chief Instructor of BDS London, and we are here to make your Christmas extra special with a fantastic offer for your loved ones. For a limited time, we're giving you 20% boost on our driving lesson vouchers, plus an exclusive bonus that makes this the perfect holiday gift. Here's how it works. Purchase a voucher for any amount between £5 and £1,000, and you will only pay 80% of its value. For example, if you buy a voucher for £10, you only pay £8. The recipient will get the full £10 value to use for any of our services, including driving lessons, intensive courses, and even the fast-track test bookings. As an added bonus, the recipient will receive £25 discount code for the BDS Academy Driving Mastery course. This is our advanced online program designed to help learners pass their driving test the first time. That means when you buy a £10 voucher for just £8, the recipient gets £35 in value. Now that's a Christmas gift worth giving. What can the voucher be used for? Let me tell you how versatile this voucher is. It can be used for our driving theory test package, including one-on-one tuition at home, a guaranteed pass intensive driving course, a regular intensive driving course, instructor mock test or fast-track driving test bookings, access to our driving mastery course for advanced roadcraft skills, preparing for a first-time pass at the driving test center. Whatever the driving needs, this voucher has them covered. This offer is only available for a limited time. It's also perfect for setting your own New Year resolutions. You should even think about possibly gifting this to yourself, but make someone's Christmas truly unforgettable. Simply fill in the form below, make the initial payment of 80%, and we will ensure you become that special person who gives a friend an amazing gift and an incredible opportunity. Don't wait, act now.